ubona ninyathikazi uthengisa inithelo nemirogo endleleni yonke lemikhiqizo uyithenga kubalimi bendawo kodwa na kuyinzuzo yona Imaraga ngokosodiya uthi indaba yokungapheli koMaraga weMpumalanga ngiyo li business yakhe ukuthi yenze inzuzo.
Tinto sitithenga kuma vins la chamuka athi sithengisela la mgwaqeni and then asidurisela bese i-fresh market itosita ngokuthi sitokhona kuthenga tinto less and sitokhona kuthola ne-profit.
Umaraga lo bekuhlose bona uza kuhlanganisa abalimi benarha le kunye nabathengi benarha le nebangaphetsheya kwamalwandle kodwa ingasuthi kuyana naba. Umsebenzi lo sewudlulile emalini obubekele yona nge-700,000 sikhuluma nje kanti imisebenzi zombuso zithi zithwenyekile.
Sitting at 678.3 million rand expenditure to date. Now you look at the breakdown, we are incurring construction costs as well as professional fees.
Umsebenzi lo bowubekele ukuthi uzokwenziwa i-1.2 billion rand kodwa nje kanje sele ukhamba ku 2 billion rand kanti ihlangano ye-Democratic Alliance ikhuza iyababaza.
And that 2 billion, we don't know what happened to it. It is gone. And now we need about 937 million is needed at least to be able to push that project to go further.
Neminye imakhiwo isajamile kukunje ngqongqoshe wezemisebenzi yombuso uvezile ukuthi batsho ukuqedelwa komsebenzi womphakathi lo uriyadiswa kungakhulumisani yomabili amahlelo la umphakathi selekhe wachakala.
After work had already been executed, the owners come to say no, it wasn't donated, it was sold. Now you also have the purchase price of that land adding to the budget on top of the budget that you had planned.
Imisebenzi le isele nge-65% ukuthi phela kodwa sekuhlangene inyanga ikontrakt esebenza lapha ijamile ingasebenzi.
Company pulled out, so it's another month's delay. So we can see that looking at this project, we're looking at another 2 years at least before completion because it's very far from complete, and this is costing the province a lot of money.
Kulindeleke ukuthi uMaraga lo uphele ngenyanga kaNtaka ngomnyaka ozako kanti ukwakhiwa kwesibethamthetho khona kubekele ukuthi uphele ngoTshirhweni umnyaka ozako kodwa akukhanyi ukuthi kuza ukuthi sibethe isikhathi eso ikhibe sekuphelile.